welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Tarun Tejpal to appear before Goa police on Friday. Police may arrest Tejpal after recording his statement. Tejpal may apply for bail on Friday in Panji. Erstwhile government had sanctioned 45 lakhs to Think Fest. Digambar Kamat says don't remember the amount properly. Nilkanth Holankar defends his decision. Goans to get fish at subsidized rates and in ample quantity. Unique fish breeding project launched at Pole and Talpona. NCP burns effigy of Dilip Parulekar, demands inquiry into the land grab issue at Serula Comunidad. Vijay Sardesai says Parulekar is fit for demotion. Cylinder blast at Warka, injures 5, damages a house, injured shifted to Hospicio. And substitute Jason Wallace scores winning goal in Churchill Brothers' first I-League victory. Sporting Club de Goa stunned by last-minute goal. And now the news in detail. Tarun Tejpal might be arrested at any point of time in the sexual assault case. Tejpal evaded crime branch summons and failed to appear before it on Thursday noon at 3. Goa police has issued a non-bailable warrant against Tarun Tejpal now. Meanwhile, Tejpal has sent a fax to Goa police informing that he will remain present before Goa police on Friday.
Tarun Tejpal evaded crime branch summons. Tejpal failed to appear before the crime branch on Thursday noon at 3. Tejpal has cited that he did not receive the summons on time and asked for additional time to appear till Saturday. But Goa police flatly refused his request.
A notice was issued by the investigating officer of the case to Shri Tarun Tejpal to appear before the investigating officer at 3 p.m. today. It was duly served on him and received also by his family members. But till 3 p.m. he failed to appear. Around 12 o'clock a fax was received which was signed by Shri Tejpal. The letter was addressed to the investigating officer of the case seeking extension for appearance. Since he is not in Goa, he sought appearance by Saturday. The same copy was served by one of the advocates also here at the crime branch office in Donapola. Keeping in view the seriousness of the offence, the investigating officer has not accepted the request for extension and she is further proceeding in this case as per law empowered.
Tejpal's arrest is inevitable as there is no interim order barring his arrest. Goa police has geared up for Tejpal's arrest. He has informed Goa police that he will remain present before them on Friday. Tejpal has withdrawn his anticipatory bail plea from Delhi High Court. Tarun Tejpal is likely to file for anticipatory bail plea in a Goan court. Tejpal's counsel is already on the job. Sources claim that Tarun Tejpal's anticipatory bail plea might be filed in Panji court by Friday. Meanwhile, Managing Director of Tehelka, Shoma Chaudhary, has resigned. She was accused of hushing up the sexual assault case involving her boss, Tarun Tejpal. At present, the fate of Tehelka is in question as senior journalists are on the spree of resignations. MLA Vishnu Wagh, a former journalist, has said that Tejpal's sexual assault case has brought a bad name for journalism.
Tejpal has not only tarnished his own name, but he has also tarnished the image of a journalist. A journalist is somebody who is held in very high esteem by the society. People have a lot of expectations from a journalist, and he is functioning as a representative of the fourth pillar of democracy.
Goa police have issued non-bailable warrant against Tarun Tejpal as he failed to appear before crime branch within stipulated time on Thursday. Bureau report, Prudent.
Erstwhile Govt of Cong-NCP coalition led by Digambar Kamat had sanctioned 45 lakhs for Think Fest. Former Chief Minister has no guilt about allotting such a huge sum of money from public ex-chequer to a commercial event like Think Fest. Kamat doesn't even remember the amount. The then tourism minister had justified the act, saying it was for promotion of tourism. This year, government did not allot a single paisa for Think Fest.
Erstwhile Govt of Cong-NCP combined, led by Digambar Kamat, had sanctioned a whopping 45 lakh rupees for Think Fest in 2011. It was public money which was generously donated for a commercial event like Think Fest. The funding issue has come to fore following Tarun Tejpal's sex scandal during Think Fest 2013. Former CM does not feel anything about donating 45 lakhs to Think Fest. Kamat says sanctioning of funds and Tejpal's present controversy are two different things.
Actually, donation tourism basically related to that. Direct.
Itlo amount diyo बरोबर असले.
Actually. Let me check up with them.
Itlo amount diyo, itlo big amount diyo बरोबर असले.
ते मागा तू कसं सांगतो आता खूप वर्ष झाले ना मी कोणे त्यांच्या डिपार्टमेंटाने मी किती टाय अप केला असेल त्यांच्या बरोबर वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट
आता जो इश्यू झाला पहिले तेजपाल बी तिथून तुमका दिसता तुम्ही त्या फंक्शनाक
that was a different issue नाही वो इश्यू डिफरंट नाही रे वो इश्यू आणि त्या इश्यू की that was a festival नाही it was a festival नाही any festival Goa was considered as a destination for festivals नाही
okay
ये झालं ते वेगळं नाही totally this cannot be compared with.
The then tourism minister Nilkant Halankar says money was sanctioned for Think Fest and not for Tarun Tejpal.
त्यांना आम्ही त्यांका एज ए पार्ट ऑफ टुरिजम प्रमोशन ह्या बॅनरा अंडर आम्ही त्यांका थोडे स्पॉन्सर हे केले. हेचे कारण कितें आसलें की एक न्यू इन्वेंशन आनी एक नव्या प्रकारचो एक इव्हेंट्स गोंयांत घडटा आनी ज्या इव्हेंटाक तरेतरेचे बरे बरे वक्ते वर्ल्ड फेमस वक्ते येता न्यू आयडियाज येता ह्या कारणान हो आम्ही गोंयांत तेजो केलो आनी हो प्रपोजल आमचो एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री दिगंबर कामत आसलो हेज्या गव्हर्मेंटान तेणे प्रपोज केलो आनी तो हांवें त्या टायमार सँक्शन केलो आनी तो प्रपोजल असो आसलो की हे आमच्या गोंयच्या टुरिजमाचो बऱ्यापैकी एडवर्टायज जातली.
मागीर दबाव कितें
ना दबाव बी तसलो कांय ना एज ए पार्ट ऑफ इव्हेंट्स असो आमी घेतलेलो हितून इंडिविज्युअल तेहलका खातीर आमी हेज्या खातीर कांयच करूंक ना तेजपालाक.
The incumbent government sanctioned only 3 lakhs in 2012 for Think Fest, the year it came to power. This year, not a single paisa was sanctioned for Think Fest by Parrikar-led government.
45 लाख.
मतलब इसके पहले जो इवेंट जो हो रहा था तो कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट जो थी यहाँ पे उसको सपोर्ट था क्या इस फेस्टिवल को?
ऐसा लगता है 45 लाख से बिग अमाउंट. 2012 में जब हमारी सरकार आ गई तब ये फेस्टिवल के बारे में हम लोगों ने रिव्यू लिया और ऐसा कहा कि ये फेस्टिवल के लिए कई लोग आते हैं, बड़े बड़े लोग आते हैं, तो टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट उसको नॉमिनल जो उनका एज पर रूल ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स को पैसा सपोर्ट करना पड़ता है उतना करे. मेरे हिसाब से कोई 3 या 5 लाख तक कुछ किया होगा. 45 लाख इज डिफरेंट एंड 5 लाख 3 lakhs ना 3 lakh is a totally different figure. I think the two figures cannot compare.
How much Goa government had given for this Think Fest this year?
No, we have refused. Some amount they had applied, some 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs, but that has been refused. I don't know, before that incident probably. Why should Goa government support an activity which can sustain on its own?
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Goans will get ample of fish during monsoon. Fisheries Department has initiated a pilot project of fish farming in Talpona and Pauline sea waters. Kotia fish, locally known as morso, will be available for Goans by June. 200 bags of fish has been planted for breeding. Fisheries Minister said this fish will be available at reasonable rates at the subsidized retail outlets proposed by the Fisheries Department.
Goa government has initiated a unique fishing project in the state. The project is known as Open Sea Cage Aquaculture Project. Kotia fish, locally known as morso, will be available for Goans. Fisheries Department has started fish farming in Talpona and Pole. They have set up a fishing cage in the sea waters where 200 bags of fish is planted in a special compartment under the sea. Morso will breed in the cage under the supervision of local fishermen and the Fisheries Department officials. Fisheries Minister Avartan Furtado said Goans will get fish at reasonable rates in the market.
This is the first time Goa has started open sea cage culture. And now local means this is a project of nearly 2.5 crores.
2.5 crores.
Yeah, so
but exactly a fish at sold
within 6 months it will grow very big.
Within 6 months?
Yeah, within 6 months. And this is the best way. Now trawler business also is going down. So I feel this is the best way to cultivate more and more things so that fish also will be cheaper because people are finding it very expensive fish. So in this way we can really reach out to the people with more fish.
Local MLA of Kankoda Ramesh Tavadkar and Benjamin Silva were also present. Tavadkar said fish farming will provide a platform to local fishermen.
सामान्य जो फिशरमॅन आसा तो कोणत्या गेला ताजे हालाकीची परिस्थिती म्हणलेली आसा आणि त्यामुळे या गोष्टीची जेन्ना फिशरमॅन आमचे कडेन उलयता किंवा मंत्र्या कडेन उलयता डिपार्टमेंट उलयता की सरकार हर प्रकारे सगळ्या स्तराच्या मनशाक सामान्य मनशाक आधार दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करता.
Sources say Goa government has invested about 2.5 crores in the project for fish farming. The fish will be kept for breeding for 6 months and then sold through subsidized retail outlets proposed by Fisheries Department. Reporter Babesh Borkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.